Hi, I'm Liv, and I'd love to be your next VP Sport and Athletic Union President, especially on the year that we'll be having varsity at home for the first time since I joined Cardiff almost 3 years ago. I've always had a passion for sport, and I would love to bring that to this role, alongside my experience from being University Hockey Club President this year, working alongside the AU, learning how it works and how it operates. I have lots of policies that I'd like to pursue next year, but just to name a few, I would like to introduce initiatives and support current ones, ensuring that all students can get home safely after a night out. Improve the quality of handovers and committee training. Continue to improve equality and diversity in sport. Improve the length of queue for YOLO on Wednesdays, and ensure provision of fair facility hire and work to reduce the cost. If these are policies that you like the sound of, then vote for me and don't forget to hashtag Live, Laugh, Love.
Hi, I'm Ben Marett and I'd like to be your AU President next year. Over the past 3 years I've been part of the University Football Club and I've run it for the past 2. As my time as a student, I've tried to make other students' lives better through mental health initiatives and safety issues. If you choose me to be AU President, I would love to bring in the AU TV network. The idea is that everybody's games, films, training sessions, etc. can be filmed and put in a central network, whether that be a website or an app with lots of match reports. This way, making the whole student life more exciting and more enjoyable as you're able to watch about your games. In turn, hopefully, with the TV network, we'll be able to get adverts and sponsorships, which will increase funding, sponsor kits, and just make student life better in general. Everything else is on my manifesto, which will be above this post or down below. I'm not sure where they're putting it, but yeah, vote for me.
Hey guys, I'm Bradley Smith, and I'm your candidate for VP Sports and AU President. I'm currently in my 4th year at studying at Cardiff University and have been part of the tennis team for 4 years. As part of the society, I've had various roles, this year becoming team manager, a role very unique to the society. As part of this role, I am responsible for all 8 teams. The first aim in my manifesto is to bring that varsity feeling to all games. As many of you get to experience varsity, I believe it will bring more love to our sports and boost our teams. Some of the other aims of my manifesto include a price cut, so more students have access to the facilities, developing all clubs no matter the size, and more support from the AU. These are only a fraction of what I will achieve as VP Sports and AU President. If you want more details, you can follow me on Instagram at Brad for VP Sports, and you can find the rest of my manifesto on the SU website. If you want Cardiff to win, vote me, Bradley Smith, for your VP Sports and AU President.
My name is Alissa and I would love to be your next VP Sports and AU President. I am the President of the Lacrosse Club as well as Treasurer and Student Instructor of the Karate Club. I have vital experience in how clubs are run and awareness of the strengths and issues faced by both smaller and larger clubs. Throughout my time at uni, I've competed in weekly Bucks lacrosse fixtures and am competing in the Bucks Karate Championships this year and have won medals for Cardiff Uni in the Welsh Karate League. Vote for me and I will. Provide help for clubs with non-Bucks competitions and matches. Establish a shuttle bus between the campuses and sports facilities to make them more accessible on match days. Focus on the beginners in the clubs as well as support for committee members and retaining beginners. Ensure priority entry into YOLO for home and away teams with late fixtures or late arrival time in Cardiff. Support for committee members in their roles and ongoing help throughout the year. Team Cardiff has had such a huge impact during my time at uni and I hope to give students more opportunities and amazing experiences whilst playing sports at Cardiff.
Hello, Shemai. My name is Pippa Wisdom. I'm currently President of Cardiff University Tennis Club and I'm running for the position of VP Sports. If elected, I will be lobbying for the investment in new sports facilities and recommending the old maths building on St Geneth Road as a site for potential redevelopment as a new sports centre. I will also be forging formal partnerships with external training venues to ensure all clubs have access to the facilities that they need. The promotion of social sports memberships is also a key part of my manifesto, and I'll be raising awareness of the mental and social benefits of involvement in university sport. As well as this, I will be actively supporting clubs with their plans for development, however big or however small these plans may be, and I would like to increase the coverage of our sports teams across our social media. As president of one of the biggest clubs in the Athletic Union, I have gained experience in running clubs on a large scale, so the step up to VP Sports would be a smooth transition. So, vote Pip for VP Sports.